Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys, at kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload ng mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at talaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung 10 times ng France na meron taon ng 1995. So tuloy tayo guys sa ating history dahil napakagandang history nito guys. So, page 30 na tayo guys. Ang French Empire and Restoration. From 1803, 20 gold francs depicting Napoleon as first consul. In 1807, 40 gold francs now depicting Napoleon as emperor. In 1800, the Bouquet de France, a federal establishment with the private board of executives, was created and commissioned to produce the national currency in 1803. The France Germinal, named after the month of Germinal in the revolutionary calendar, was established, creating a gold France containing to 90.034 milligram of fine gold. From this point, gold and silver base units circulated interchangeably on the basis of the 1 is equal to 15.5 ratio between the values of two metals bimetallism until 1864, when all silver coins except the 5 francs piece were debased from 90% to 83.5% of silver without the weight changing. 5 francs 1850, French and Second Republic silver. These coins included the first modern gold coins with denomination in France. It abandoned the revolutionary symbols of the coinage from 1795, now the showing Napoleon in the manner of Roman emperors, first described as Bonaparte, premier consul, and now with the country names as the Republique franchise. After this coronation, in 1804, coins changed the Aubers legend to Napoleon Emperor or Napoleon Imperior, dropping his family name in the manner of regnal names. In 1807, the reverse legend changed to the name France as Empire Franchise. And the analogy with the old Louis d'Or, these coins were called gold Napoleons. Economically, this sound of money was a great success, and Napoleon's fall did not change that succeeding governments maintained Napoleon's weight standard with change in design which trace the political history of France. In particular, this currency system was written during the Bourbon Restoration and perpetuated until 1914. Latin Monetary Union. France was a founding member of the Latin Monetary Union or LMU, a single currency employed primarily by the Romance-speaking and other Mediterranean states between 1865 and the First World War. The common currency was based on France Germinal, with the name France already being used in the Switzerland and Belgium, Wales. Other countries maintained local denomination redeemable across the block with the 1-to-1 parity. Taught with the local names, the peseta, in 1873. Dahil MU went over to purely gold standard of 1 francs 0.29032 pa 2581 grams of gold.